a project kit. It consists of 4 units. The first one is the power supply plus the microcontroller unit. The second one is the LED section, and the third one is the sensor board section. This is the key, and this is the auto dialer section. If when this key is on, the kit gets activated.
And this power supply unit consists of 18 volts AC transformer and a bridge rectifier with a capacitor and 7805 voltage regulator, which converts 18 volts AC to 5 volts DC. This is the reset button, which is used to reset the pins of microcontroller. And the second unit consists of LED section with 9 different LEDs. In this, 7 LEDs indicate the 7 different sensors connected in sensor board, and 2 indicates power supply from AC.
This is the sensor unit board in which 7 different types of sensors are added. These are the ports which are connected to the LED, and the other port is connected to the microcontroller at port 0. And these 7 sensors indicate each one LED. When it gets activated, the respective LED glows. At the same time, the siren 60 dB siren is activated. Simultaneously, the auto dialer also forwards a call to its owner, which is saved in this auto dialer circuit. And these 7 different types of sensors are the magnetic sensors, LDR sensor, smoke detector, IR sensors, panic switch, the temperature sensor, and the piezoelectric sensor. This is the key. This is the auto dialer control unit, in which this is the switch, the reset switch. When it is pressed and the number is saved, and if we release, the number will be saved, which will be a default number to the owner.
So whenever the kit is on, whenever I turn this key, the kit gets on. Now let us see the working. This is the reset button. So now this is the magnetic sensor. Whenever this magnetic sensor is taken out, now it is the kit. This LED shows the power supply to the controller, and these two LEDs show the power supply to the controller unit and also to the sensor board. This magnetic sensor, whenever it is taken, it takes some delay, and now the siren goes. The 60 dB loud siren, and automatically the call goes to the owner. Press the reset button.
And this is
okay. This is the LDR.
And this is
the smoke detector. The smoke detector.
And this is
the IR sensor. And this is the panic switch. So this is the piezoelectric sensor. So you can see the power supply to the auto dialer unit, which is this is there, and this auto dialer unit is connected to the microcontroller unit. And whenever we press this reset button and dial a number, this number is, whenever release it and place it off, this automatically saves the number of the owner. Whenever a particular sensor is activated, the LED glows, and automatically the siren also gets activated, and the call goes to the owner. And whenever the owner lifts the mobile and listens to the surroundings, he can identify the surroundings in that. So in this way, we can provide a super sensitive security system for industries or home appliances or any banks. Thank you.